Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I found some collard greens and Swiss chard on sale. Every time I find greens on sale, I make sure to buy them, chop them and freeze them in small portion size bags. Then you can stretch it with lentils in many meals. Here is my chopped greens that I now will be putting in freezer bags, labeling and putting it in the freezer. Finished chopping and processing all the greens. I have put them in freezer safe bags and this is going to go in the freezer. Out of $4, $2 a bunch of collard greens and $2 a bunch of Swiss chard, I was able to come up with 7 bags of frozen greens, and this will last us for many meals. It's delicious in soups. You can stretch it by adding lentils or beans to this. It's delicious, healthy, and it will save you a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.